N8N versus Langflow. Let's start with N8N. N8N is the world's most popular workflow automation platform for technical teams. It has secure AI-native workflow automation, and it's linked with GitHub with over 61,000 stars. Let's talk its IT ops. You have here the onboard new joiners and the provision accounts. You have the full source code available, self-hostable, and 55,000 community members. Then we have the SecOps. For the SecOps, you have here the enriched security incident tickets, with over 5 minutes saved per workflow run, with the on your Jira issue to update tickets with results. The whole process is showed here. Then we have the DevOps, where you can analyze GitHub PRs for vulnerabilities with AI. And then we have here the Sales, where you can enrich new HubSpot company by analyzing their website with AI. N8N is the fast way to plug AI into your own data by building autonomous, multi-step agents, chat with your own data tools, plug into your own products, and use any model including the self-hosted ones. It also has more advanced AI feature if you just click this button and you will be able to find out. With N8N, you can code when you need it, and UI when you don't. Basically, you can just design if you don't want to code. And you can code in JavaScript or Python, use external NPM or Python libraries, and import CURL requests. You can also run, tweak, and repeat. The most natural way to build is iteratively. With N8N, it gives you the same short feedback loops that make coding fun. With N8N, they have over 400 plus integrations, from Facebook to even other websites. N8N is enterprise ready, which means you can scale your company's operations with our advanced on-prem or cloud automation solution. We also have environments sync via GitHub, where it can maintain uptime of mission-critical automations with environments. Dev stage, prod, with everything you expect when shipping mission-critical code. It has a single sign-on and LDAP, SOC2 compliant, fully on-prem option, external logging, advanced RBAC permissions, and many more. And it ends Delivery Hero. It saves over 200 hours per month with a single IT ops workflow. And we have here the 61,667 GitHub users. And here's why. From one of the customers or the users, they think that N8N Cloud version is great because they are doing amazing and they love that everything is available to look on GitHub. They love to build complex workflows that other tools can't do. And they've said it many times, and they'll say it again. N8N is the GOAT. With N8N, you can stop struggling with the scripts and start creating workflows 10 times faster. You can subscribe to N8N for free by typing your email here in the newsletter, and you will get an email on your email. For N8N, you can start for free with a plan with affordable plan, and you can also talk to sales. Just register to this automating today, and you'll be able to start now. Now let's talk about Langflow. Langflow is a low-code tool for developers that makes it easier to build powerful AI agents and workflows that can use any API, model, or database. It uses AI, used by leading AI development teams. For example, like SurveyHub.ai, Athena Intelligence, and many more. Langflow lets us take complex product ideas and quickly bring them to life through visual flows that anyone can understand. Here we can see the ditch the black boxes feature, where it controls the complexity, swap and compare, and Python under the hood. Langflow has transformed RAG application development, letting us focus more on creativity and less on complexity. It has a drag and drop deploy feature, where you don't let boilerplate code slow you down, and the visual data flows, reusable components, and rapid iteration lets you focus on creating AI magic. As you can see here, you just prompt the AI models to create codes with limitless control where you can use Python to customize anything and everything. With Langflow, you can create these AI websites or applications where this agent here, the basic agent, where the description of the flow with no more than 3 lines ideally. Then we have the doc assistant, where the RAG powered chatbot that retrieves information. Then we have the API integration, a flow designed to guide developers through the process of integrating. And then the basic prompting, where the description of the flow, no more than 3 lines ideally. Here we see the run, share, and collaborate, where you can choose from hundreds of pre-built flows and components, including the users, the agents, and the models, including also the prompt. Langflow has agents at your service, where you can run a single or fleet of agents with access to all of your components as a tool. It also has a flow as an API, where you can use a free production-grade cloud to deploy your flow. From notebook to production, you can publish your AI application and it shouldn't be a headache. Deploy yourself or sign up for a free cloud account, deploy and scale on a secure cloud platform ready for production, or iterate and evaluate beyond the vibe tests. You can connect your existing tools, where you can choose from hundreds of data sources, models, or vector stores. And if you don't find what you're looking for, you can build your own components. You can see here the Google Drive, Hugging Face, Slack, Tavily, Cirix, NG, OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, Zep, Firecrawl, Upstash, Murdoch, and many, many more. According to Athena Intelligence, CEO of Athena Intelligence, Brandon Gales, Langflow has completely transformed the way we iterate and deploy AI workflows. With Langflow, you can create your first flow and join a thousand developers accelerating their AI workflows. You can start it for free as well, and it's connected with GitHub where you can pip and install Langflow. So let's break it down with its resources. With Langflow, you don't need a code or just a low-code tool to create and easier build powerful AI agents and manage workflows. You can also create and use API model or databases with connection to N8N, GDT, and many more. The code of Studio's better app. As he said, it lets us take complex product ideas and quickly bring them to life through visual, which is really good all in one platform.